Me, Graves, and Hall over here are heading off to the rainforest. Woohoo! After a great day last night, or a great day yesterday, going to the highest point in all of Panama. Couldn't show you footage that it last. I can show you pictures, and that's it. I couldn't show you footage. But
Can you in the vlog?
hey, there you are.
What's up?
How you guys doing?
Panama.
Oh, Panama. We're heading off to the rainforest now. Take care, be safe, don't be stupid, enjoy the clips. Bye. In the rainforest. Really cool, not gonna lie. Rainforest is real. Here's the map. Right here. Alright, it's gonna take.
They're also walking slow.
This is exciting.
An hour and a half to get there.
You guys up for it?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's do it. Woo! Hope you guys can see.
So
Those little glary. Hope you guys enjoy.
Yeah,
Take
so
road
we
one.
just go out the back.
That's pretty cool.
Alright, and I'm sure they're gonna like.
So are you thinking an easy one or a hard one? I think we're thinking a hard one. Best of luck, bye. This is pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, off to the rainforest we go. Butterfly garden in here. It's really cool as we enter into the jungle. Woo! Feel like the most tourism person ever, but look at this. Off to the jungle we go. Oh, this is so cool. Wait, is it, we go through here? No, it's real.
Which one we wanted to do? What was the name of the trail?
Roble. That one, is that?
We'll find out.
No, that's
It's called Sendero.
Sendero. Sendero's this one. You don't want
No,
Sendero.
look. Sendero. You said a right turn.
This has to be it. There's the butterflies all over here. Look at that. That's really cool. Look at that. The butterfly forest. All the beautiful monarchs, different colors. Holy crap, how big they are. Oh, that's cool. I mean, look at that. Butterfly forest over there. Oh, that's so cool. I'm gonna go in there. I'm gonna go in there soon. My first trail. Alright, take care. Alright, guys. GoPro's coming on. Well, I'm recording as well. We're entering the rainforest. Yes, I'm super excited.
Should I do a
Now,
time lapse
we
or
won't
video?
see, I say time lapse.
Let me get it set up real quick.
Oh, this is so cool. Wonder if we'll see jaguars. Nah, kidding, but all seriousness though, the jungle, the lion's jungle, there's no lions here tonight. Anyway, I'm just super excited. The trail and nothing but jungle everywhere you go, except on the trail, of course. I'm getting the GoPro ready. It's another beautiful day in Panama. So it's day 2. Super excited. I can't wait. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Should be non-stop action through Panama and through the rainforest. This should be awesome. Hope you guys enjoy. Through the jungle we go. Through the jungle we go. There's a lot of bees nests or wasp nests. I'm not actually sure. There's a lot of nests though. All over the place. I recommend not messing with them. This is so cool.
California, I couldn't get it to work that day. Well, I was supposed to go on an old America's Cup sailboat, but my tour got canceled because I'm not people signed up.
Oh, going over a bridge, guys.
There's actually going to be a race. Maybe I'll take a race to the bay.
I wonder what all these like wasp nests are. That's a big leaf. Huh. Fascinating. I'm looking at a river right now.
I think it's that pond she was talking about.
Is that the puddle?
The pond, yeah.
What's in the pond? That's the question of the day.
Puddles and stuff.
Oh, there is turtles. I see them in the water. There he is. Nice little turtles. Oh, they're swimming right over here. Apparently there's something in the trees right now. They're looking at them. There's something in the trees. I don't see it though. It's beautiful though. Guys, you see right up there, you can barely tell. There's a little bushy spot in that tree. There's a nocturnal bird. What did you call it again?
Otu.
Batu.
P-O-T-O.
And how does he eat again? He eats like that, right?
Yes, with the big mouth.
You know? That's awesome. Oh, it's so cool. And he's nocturnal, so he's
Yes,
sleeping
correct.
right now. I don't want to wake him up.
Their eyes are like this,
Like this?
but very big. But you can see them because he's sleeping.
That's awesome. Nice big eyes. Oh, that's really cool. Thank you so much.
Come on.
Take care, all right?
Okay.
You see the bird? Oh, there goes another. That's a leaf. That's a leaf. You see him though?
Yeah, I see it.
He's all the way up there. I would never get known. That's so cool. Everything blends in. It looks like we gotta have an expert when we go through here because all we see right now is turtles.
You gotta look everywhere.
Yeah, look everywhere. I wonder what we passed that we already missed because we couldn't see them.
You gotta look up too.
We gotta look up. We gotta look everywhere. It's gonna be. I say we go as close as possible through this trail, just to make sure we see everything. He's got a tree farm right here to help create and grow the forest that has been cutting down. They're growing the trees here so that they can come back stronger than ever. It's a really beautiful thing to see that the conservation movement right here in this beautiful island, beautiful country. It's beautiful. Everything here is amazing. Got a whole bunch of trees that they're planting and growing right now as we speak. I've seen butterflies. I see cahoos, like cahoot. Yeah, cahoot. You know what I'm talking about. And then we have a whole bunch of wasp nests and turtles. It's really beautiful. Look at all these. They're planting trees for the next generation. Oh, there's another butterfly. Look at that. Nice and yellow. I don't know if it's coming out through the camera, but there you go. They're doing something over here. Some not farming, some planting and stuff. More trees. The road's over there. It's very beautiful. Very. Holy shit, monkey! Hey there, little guy. How you doing? Oh, you're so cool. You staring at me. Oh, that's awesome. Hello, monkey. Hello, birds. How you doing? Oh, that's so cool. I don't even know what type of monkey you are, but you're a really cool monkey. Oh, look at him go. He's crawling away. Oh, that's so cool. He's such a cute little monkey. Oh, that's awesome. I see a monkey. Yes. Crossed off a list of monkeys. He has something in his hand. Where is he? There he is. Oh, that's so cool. See, this is why I gotta look up. You're gonna miss the monkeys. Oh, he's so cool. That's so cool. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. He's about to jump off to another branch, and he's crawling. Look at him go. He has his. Oh, that's so cool. He's crawling. And there he goes. Off into the branches. Freedom awaits. He's a cool black monkey. I don't know what type he is, but he's cool. And there he goes, freedom away. I wonder if he'll come down. There he is. Let me zoom in on him. Let him go. He's walking away. I know you can't really see him, but that's a bird. That's a bug right there. He's blending in, camouflage in its height. That's so cool.
Butterflies sit with their wings.
Oh, it's so cool. Oh, there it goes. There goes the butterfly. There's so many animals and stuff. Look at that. It's all jungle. Jungle Wonderland. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, a shack over here. Oh, this is awesome. Woo. The crossroads of destiny. Do we go up or do we go that way? Who knows? Let's see. Look how big those leaves are. So cool. They're just falling off like fucking beautiful. I guess we're going this way.
Yeah.
Look at all these big leaves falling. I mean, there's something in the air messing with them. I see birds and stuff. I wonder what's up there. I can't see it. Oh, that's so cool. What's the thing right here? What is these? I don't know. It's pretty cool though. Look how big that hole is.
There's one in Sequoia National Park.
Holy
that
shit.
someone actually lived in for a short time, like spent the night in, like you can crawl under it, under the giant sequoias.
That's really cool. But imagine what lives in there. Oh, that's really
You
cool.
never know, it might be a monkey friend. No, just kidding.
You never know, man. I think monkeys live in the trees though.
I was just joking, man.
That might be an anteater or something. No idea, man. This thing. Look at all those bugs right there. Holy crap. Look at that. There's something over there. I don't know, man, but that's pretty cool. There's a bird right there. He's digging for something. You see him? I don't know what he's doing, but he's doing something. He's making a lot of noise. There he is. It's hard to see him. Saw. This is the bird right here. Funny enough, there's a sign saying all about it. Ha! That's a better look at it if you wanted to see it. It had a red belly just like that. Really cute. Tree is. That is huge. That is one really big tree. Looks like they found something over here. What'd you find? Hopefully it ain't there. Oh, look at that! That's really cool. Look at him. Just carrying it along. Bird right here. He just flew right in front of us. I see him. He's so little. He's such a small bird. He was literally right above us. He was flapping right in front of us. Say hello again to the bird. There he is. My video was not recording him at all. He's right there. That's a bird. He flew right in front of us. There he is. There he is. Look at that. Look at him go. He's so fast. Look at him.
It's in my time lapse though, so we're good.
Oh, that's so fucking cool. I knew I heard something. I was like, what is that noise?
Yeah.
He just flew right in front of your face, Graves. Like literally, he was like 2 feet from you. Come on, do it again, little bird. Fly for us. Oh, that's so cool.
I just realized I wonder how much that camera's gonna be in my house.
That is so cool. Man, look at him. He's like above us.
So crazy.
He's so fast. You can see his wings. He's literally stopping in front of us and freaking out.
And they can fly backwards too.
Yeah. He stops in the air. You saw that? Hold on, I'm gonna try to get it one more time when he comes up to us. He keeps flying in our faces and like buzzing at us. Apparently this is a big one. Graves says he has ones in his house that are a lot smaller.
A little bit smaller.
Hey, look at this guy. He's right here. Oh, there he is.
Oh, hello, friend. Hello. I wish I had a flower.
Oh no. Crazy little bird.
There's a flower that I grew at my house.
Holy shit, he's like a roadrunner. But look at his vine. Ain't this thing crazy? We just saw the hummingbird. Now we're over here. Really cool. Really cool. Hey, I can see birds circling over here.
Hernandez, did you ever hear the Sid? That means I've seen a sloth, alright?
Sid? Like Sid.
My dog looks like Sid.
I want to see Sid. But they're so slow and they blend in. It's going to be hard to see a sloth. I do want to see one though. Hugging onto a tree for dear life. Oh, that'd be cool. Sid, where are you? Put A and A into a tree. That's pretty cool. And now whenever they walk around this tree, they'll know their love was real. Well, who knows? Maybe it ended. ED, who knows? Wanting. Who knows? This has been one windy ass road. Very elevated, very beautiful. Holy crap, just everything you look at, you could stare at it for like an hour. It's beautiful. This is probably the most gorgeous thing I've ever seen, and I just saw a really gorgeous night last night up in the tower. It was beautiful, it was amazing. Anyhow, you guys be safe. Don't do anything stupid. And take care. Look at all this. Holy crap. That's so crazy. Look how big you guys are to those trees. It's so tiny. There's a dragonfly flying over Graves' head right now. It's over here now, flying away. And there's this huge banana spider. Look at this guy. Hold on, do you see him?
I was in Louisiana. At a buddy's house. He used to live on.
I don't know if you can see the web, but he's right there.
I
I don't know if you can see him that well.
Thousands of them.
There's the web. I think you can see him right there. You can't miss him. He's a big spider. I don't know how do I focus this on him?
I couldn't.
It's gonna be really hard to do it.
I couldn't get a picture of him.
He's right there. I don't know if you could see him. He's cool. Come over to Panama so you can see this. There's a very, very tall hill. Holy crap! All right, let's do this. Hills away. Very steep. Very jungly. Holy shit! It's beautiful though. It really is something. My favorite green right there. Jungle forest green with the light coming through the tree leaves. It's so beautiful. We're still so far up. There's so much more to go. Very high fucking hill. Holy shit. But look at that. Holy shit, that's beautiful. I mean, look at that. Holy shit. That is gorgeous. Nothing but jungle. Nothing but jungle. Welcome to the real Panama. Woo! This has been an amazing experience. 10 out of 10. Will do again. I love this place. Beautiful country. Take care. Don't do anything stupid. Bye. Just look at the view. Holy shit, sorry, I was not at the end of the video. Turns out if you go a little bit higher, you get welcome to this at the end of the trail. Holy shit. I'll go over there in a second, but look at this. Holy cow. That is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. And I have said that like 10 times today.
This is what an overlook looks like. I don't know if you have these in Florida.
We don't have a single freaking thing close to this. That is an overlook. You don't get those in Florida. You get sunsets. You don't get overlooks. Maybe from a hotel, perhaps, but other than that, holy shit. That is gorgeous. Great, beautiful. Now let's go over here to the city. So, remember that picture I have in the day? Look at this.
Show this picture to everyone on the ship and be like, hey, we got a group picture of everybody.
Ha! Yeah, we did. Holy snap, look at this. Look at that. We saw the whole city in a day. This is a night. I meant to say night. But now this is in a day. Holy shit, you see everything. Oh, this is gorgeous. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, you guys be safe. Don't do anything stupid. Now this is the... I hope you guys are enjoying Panama as much as I am. Here's my advice. Actually come to this beautiful country. Because you don't get that view unless you come here. I'll tell you that now. Screw laptop screensavers. Go actually see that. Because that is the most beautiful thing. Like most beautiful landscape I have ever seen. Look at that. That is gorgeous. We're at the king of the top. And you know what? I have a funny feeling if we go up those steps, we got something even better to look at. So stay tuned for that. Be safe and don't do anything stupid. Take care. Bye. Or what do they say goodbye in Panama? Adios. Adios. My bad English or my bad Spanish. Take care and enjoy the view and explore the world. Look at these steep steep steps. They're so little. Teeny tiny, but it gets to the best view of all Panama. Be careful. Holy crap. It's very dangerous. It is? Well, I gotta get there then. I gotta be careful. I'm recording too. And here we go. Holy crap. That's the city. Holy crap. Holy shit. All of Panama City right here. Holy shit, this camera really doesn't give what your eyeballs do justice. I never realized how much our eyeballs are compared to cameras. Because cameras don't give any of this justice. At least the cheap ones you buy with your phone. I don't know, man. This is... Holy shit, this is gorgeous. I mean, holy crap. Oh, that is breathtaking. Alright. Enjoy the video. Woo! Panama as we fly. Look at that. Now that's beautiful. Now that's the Panama Canal, the ocean right there. Gorgeous. Holy shit. We go down there, that's the trail again. Back to our unknown destination.
I was gonna say, isn't that where we're anchored?
That is where we anchored. We're anchored somewhere over there.
Yeah, look, we can see this.
We can see the ship from
We
here.
can see the hill from our. I'm pretty sure from our.
Yeah,
dock.
from where we were. When we were anchored in that.
We can see that island right
before
there.
we went in the canal.
So we're somewhere over there. We're looking over all the cadets right now.
No, I think no. We're back this way.
Or that way?
Yep.
Either way, we're somewhere looking over though. One way or the other. I mean, look at that. Oh, it's awesome. Hey, there's one more spot, country over there. I'm gonna go up and see it. Holy shit. Oh, it's gorgeous. Holy crap. And there goes the trail. Holy shit.